This is a programmable finger joint fixture that'll fit any table saw. And this is the second prototype I built, and it has a little microprocessor that will advance the wood in such a way that the blade will cut any size kerf or any size finger joint that you want. In this case, it's set up for 250 thousandths, quarter inch from center to center to center. But my actual kerf on my blade is 121 thousandths. So it has to make a pass and then advance a little bit, say 5 thousandths, to make it a 126 space. And it'll do that. And you program that in very simply by putting in the saw kerf dimension and the tolerance dimension, which will give you a little bit of clearance for glue. So the nice thing is, you can put this on your table saw and program in, okay, I want to cut a finger joint that's ½ inch. Well, you cut a ½ inch with an 1/8 inch blade, and it'll be exactly right on the money, as accurate as this lead screw is in advancing. And the servo motor, it counts its revolutions, and the servo motor will advance the lead screw so that you'll get exactly 250 thousand spacing or 500 thousand spacing, and exactly the right amount of clearance. If you get them too tight, you can't put it together. No room for glue. You get them too loose, or you want them just loose enough to have glue in there. This is the pitch, that is the distance between teeth. That is from the center of one tooth to the center of the next tooth, that's 250 quarter inch. And then the kerf, that's the actual kerf that this particular blade cuts, 121 thousandths. And then the clearance, or the tolerance, gives me a little bit more clearance. So I can up that number from 0.06 thousandths to 10 to 15, and it puts me 6 thousandths clearance for glue joint. And start space 0 means that it's going to cut this space first. Well, the next part we're going to have to make the mating part. We're going to go start space 1. So I'm done. So now we're ready to hit index. This jaw, it just clamps up here like this. Hit index and comes over, finds home. Now it's ready to go. Now I hit go and I'm ready. So this is number 3, which was 251. Yeah, so this should fit up good, and it does. There it is. There's your perfect joint. See, they're offset. But just the right fit.